I have ducks in my pool, and how do I get them out? There are 5 ways that you can keep ducks from infesting your pool. The first thing you can do is invest in a solar cover. This is that bubble wrap material that you put on top of the water that actually helps to keep the heat in your pool, but ducks won't land on it and they'll keep the ducks out of your pool as long as you use the solar cover during the day. Second thing you can do is use an automatic pool cleaner. This can be a robotic pool cleaner or a suction side pool cleaner or like a Polaris pressure side pool cleaner, something that is constantly moving around your pool and keeping the ducks at bay. They're like, I don't want to be involved with whatever's floating around in that pool, and they stay away. The third thing you can do is just put some inflatable toys in the water. Specifically, there are 2 types that I recommend. One, there's this thing called a dancing dolphin. What it is, it's a dolphin that stands upright in the pool. It's inflatable, but the bottom has a little weight on it. So the actual inflatable stands upright and it sort of acts as a scarecrow in your pool. The other inflatable I recommend is an alligator. Big old green alligator that floats in your pool. Ducks will stay away from that. Real quick, before we continue, if you're looking for an easy to follow tutorial that'll answer all your pool questions, go check out our Pool Care Handbook and video course. You'll get over 30 in-depth video lessons and a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything you need to know about pool maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your swimming pool clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of pool, including in-ground, above-ground, and in-text blow-up pools. And the best part is we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. So because you're watching this video, you can go to swimuniversity.com/pool and use the promo code video. The fourth thing you can do, and you may already have one, is you can get a dog. If you let your dog out into the backyard where your pool is, they will chase the ducks away. That is an easy solution. And if you have a dog just kind of hanging out in the backyard at all times, just guarding your pool, then you're not going to have a problem with ducks. And finally, the 5th thing you can do is there's actually a chemical that you can buy and put into your water. It's called duck off. Yes, like duck off. So what this chemical actually does is it breaks the surface tension of the water. So when a duck lands on the pool surface to float, it will actually sink. It'll drop into the water and it won't be able to float on the surface of your pool. And this chemical is real and it's called duck off, and you might be able to find it at your local pool store or you can check online. So that's it. That's 5 ways to keep ducks away from your swimming pool, to keep that duck poop out of your water, which is very, very disgusting. Ducks, they sometimes can be cute, but most of the time they're disgusting. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment to let us know and to help your fellow pool owners. And hit the like button if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about pool maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one and check out the Pool Care Handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/pool. Don't forget to enter the promo code video to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again and happy swimming.